In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink Gmail from HoneyBook. We know how essential it is to keep integration streamlined with the platforms you work on. If, for any reason, your Gmail account needs to be removed from HoneyBook, whether it's for organizational purposes or a change in your business structure, I'll guide you through this simple process. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to log into your HoneyBook account. Once you're signed in, look to the main navigation menu. You should see a section labeled Tools. Click on Tools, and it'll provide you with a variety of options tailored to managing your HoneyBook projects more effectively. Within the Tools section, locate and select Calendar. The calendar is where your Gmail calendar integration resides, and it's the spot where we can manage any linked accounts. This intuitive layout allows HoneyBook users to oversee their appointments and deadlines efficiently. Now that we're in the calendar section, here's a little trick. Hover your mouse over the specific Gmail calendar you intend to unlink. As you do this, you'll notice a gear icon appears. This gear icon is your gateway to all the settings and configurations related to that particular calendar. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click the gear icon, a pop-up window will emerge on your screen. This pop-up is crucial because it holds the command to disconnect your Gmail account. Within this window, you should see an option labeled Disconnect. It might seem straightforward, but remember, taking this step will sever the link between HoneyBook and your Gmail, so ensure this is your desired action. After clicking Disconnect, HoneyBook will prompt another confirmation pop-up. This is the platform's way of double-checking that you really want to proceed with the disconnection. It's a helpful feature that prevents accidental unlinking, ensuring that your decision is indeed intentional. Simply confirm the action and the disconnection will be finalized. And there you have it. You've successfully unlinked your Gmail account from HoneyBook. This process provides you with the flexibility to manage your integrations as you see fit, freeing up space for any future accounts you may wish to connect. Remember, it's essential to regularly review and manage your integrations to maintain the smooth operation of your workflow. If you have multiple accounts or calendars linked, be sure to repeat these steps as needed for each one. I hope this guide was helpful and your experience with managing integrations continues to be seamless. If you have any other questions or require further assistance, HoneyBook's Help Center is a fantastic resource. Thanks for tuning in and happy organizing.